Synthesizers have revolutionized music, offering endless creative possibilities and shaping iconic sounds across genres. In this video, we'll explore the legendary instruments that have defined eras, inspired countless artists, and left an indelible mark on the music industry. From analog classics to digital powerhouses, join us as we celebrate the synthesizers that have truly stood the test of time. Let's dive into our journey through the sonic landscape, where we explore the 7 greatest synthesizers of all time. The Korg WaveState MK2 is not just a synthesizer, it's a revolution in sound design, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with wave sequencing 2.0. This instrument takes the legacy of the iconic wave station and propels it into the future, offering musicians, producers, and composers an unparalleled sonic palette. With its 96 stereo voices, the WaveState MKIY ensures lush, evolving pads and driving rhythms with clarity and depth. The synthesizer's design, featuring 37 full-size keys and a compact form factor, is both aesthetically pleasing and practical for any setup. Its extensive modulation capabilities, combined with the innovative wave sequencing 2.0, allow for sounds that evolve in organic and unexpected ways, ensuring that each performance is unique. The WaveState skillfully honors its 90s predecessor while providing modern sound design capabilities for today's era. It's an impressive refresh of a beloved synthesizer series, offering both nostalgia and innovation. The re-release of the Minimoog as Minimoog Model D after 35 years is a triumph, masterfully blending authenticity with modern enhancements. At the heart of the Model D are 3 classic oscillators and mixers delivering rich and fat analog tones that faithfully replicate the classic sound. While the addition of a dedicated LFO and CV outputs for pitch, velocity, and aftertouch modernize the instrument without compromising its legendary character. One of the standout features of the Model D is its legendary filter, renowned for its warmth and expressiveness. The Fatar keyboard offers a contemporary touch response, further bridging the gap between vintage charm and modern playability. It boasts a 44-note keyboard, MIDI connectivity for seamless integration with modular setups. This Minimoog not only honors its heritage, but also introduces thoughtful updates, making it a compelling choice over its vintage counterpart for reliability, functionality, and sound. The OBX8 emerges as a remarkable synthesis with its sleek interface and vintage aesthetics, paying homage to its legendary predecessors while embracing modern features. At the heart of the OBX8 are 8 voices of pure analog goodness, delivering warmth and character that is unmatched in the digital era. The inclusion of original OBX oscillators, alongside the extended filter modes and page 2 parameters, elevates its sound design capabilities. One of the standout features of the OBX8 is its versatile modulation options, including multiple LFOs, envelopes, and a sophisticated modulation matrix. Combined with its expansive keyboard and expressive aftertouch, the OBX8 offers unparalleled control over your sound. It boasts a full-size 64-key Fatar Velocity keyboard, MIDI connectivity, and a range of CV inputs and outputs for seamless integration with other gear. The Oberheim OBX8 is a true masterpiece of analog synthesis, offering breathtaking sound quality and unparalleled versatility. The Juno DS synthesizer series represents the next step in the evolution of ultra-portable keyboards for musicians on the move. These synths come packed with versatile features suitable for any musical setting, including high-quality built-in sounds, pads for audio playback, and a pattern sequencer for crafting original compositions. Available in the 61-note Juno DS 61 and 76-note Juno DS 76 models with velocity-sensitive synth-action keyboards, or the Juno DS 88 model, which boasts an 88-note keyboard with weighted action, there's a Juno DS to meet every performer's needs. With over 1,000 sounds, including updated pianos, organs, and more, plus a wave expansion slot for limitless creativity, the Juno DS delivers professional-grade versatility. The 8 phrase pads enable quick sample triggering, perfect for live performances. Plus, features like sample import, mic input with auto pitch and vocoder enhance its capabilities even further. Whether you're a seasoned keyboardist or just starting out, the Juno DS is a must-have for any musician's arsenal. The UDO Audio Super Gemini synthesizer is a groundbreaking instrument that redefines the landscape of polysynths, It's essentially two Super 6 synths combined, offering a staggering 20-voice mono or 10-voice stereo capability, making it a powerhouse for both studio and live performance. The bitimbral and binaural design allows for intricate soundscapes, with each layer operating independently or in harmony, providing unparalleled depth and versatility. The hybrid analog-digital architecture, along with innovative features like waveform morphing and extensive modulation options, places the Super Gemini in a league of its own. Its intuitive control layout, including a ribbon controller and polyphonic aftertouch, invites expressive playability. Its performance capabilities and sound quality are unmatched, making it a standout in the golden age of polysynths. The Super Gemini is not just a synth. It's an invitation to explore new sonic territories, proving itself as one of the best performance synths on the market. The Third Wave by Groove Synthesis is not just a synth, it's a revelation in the world of wavetable synthesis, setting a new benchmark for what modern synthesizers can achieve. Drawing inspiration from the iconic PPG wave, the Third Wave elevates the legacy with its 24-voice polyphony, dual-layer functionality, and a blend of analog and digital prowess. Its intuitive interface, coupled with high-resolution wavetables and extensive modulation options, offers a sonic playground that's both vast and accessible. The build quality is impeccable, presenting a synth that's as durable as it is aesthetically pleasing. With features like WaveFlow for smooth transitions and the ability to create custom wavetables, the Third Wave is a powerhouse of creativity. It's a synth that not only pays homage to its roots, but also pushes the boundaries of sound design, making it a standout choice for any synth enthusiast looking for depth and unparalleled sound quality. Lastly, we have Arturia's newest instrument, Arturia Polybrute 12, claiming the title of the most expressive synthesizer ever. With its robust 12-voice architecture, innovative full-touch MPE keyboard, and the unique Morphe pad, it pushes the boundaries of musical expression. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, its metal and wood construction exudes durability and elegance. The intuitive interface, coupled with advanced filters and oscillators, offers a seamless experience in sculpting diverse sounds. The full-touch keyboard revolutionizes dynamic play, offering dynamic control and 3 aftertouch modes, allowing for nuanced expression through every key press. Additionally, the Morph pad and ribbon controller invite endless creative exploration. With comprehensive modulation options, an impressive effects section, and the Polybrute Connect software for de-audio integration, this synth is a powerhouse for any musician. The Arturia Polybrute 12 sets a new standard for analog polyphonic synthesizers, combining classic warmth with modern innovation to inspire both musicians and producers. And there you have it, 7 greatest synthesizers of all time, each a legend of its own. Which one do you think is the best among these? Do let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.